Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with my Motorola G85, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the edge lighting feature. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So pull down the notification panel twice, select settings, and then scroll through and select display, and then scroll down to where it says edge lights. Select it, and here just simply turn on use edge lights. So turn that toggle on. Okay, and it explains lights will appear on the edges of your display when you're receiving a call, notification, or alert. And if you want to learn more, just select this option here. So the edge lighting, it works with calls and alarms. So the light pattern below will appear when you receive a call or there is an alarm alert. So that's how it will look. As you can see, the edges are lighting up in blue. And like I mentioned, it works with notifications. The light pattern here is shown when you receive a notification. Okay, so there's also some settings here for the edge lighting. Okay, so we have some settings for the incoming calls. So here you can change the edge lighting colors. So there's blue, also a lighter blue color, a purplish pinkish color, also orange, and a white color. So if you want the edge lighting around the edge to be blue, or this lighter shade of blue, or purple, or orange, or white, just select the color you want. And here, by default, it will show lights for the incoming calls, alarms, app notifications. They're already turned on. And if you scroll down, there's some light options. So show light at full brightness when the screen is facing down. Or you can keep it, you can turn this on, only show when the screen is facing down. And you can turn on a scheduled period. So as you can see, you can start the scheduled period here. Okay, so I've enabled it. So now I'm just going to test it out. And give you all a little preview of how it looks once it's all set up. Okay, so let me just call my number. So as you can see, on both sides you can see the blue edge lighting. And also when you turn the phone over on its face, it will also light up. So let me just call my number again. Okay, so as you can see, the edge lighting is flashing when the phone is laid down on its face. So yeah, guys, that's how you set the edge lighting on the Motorola G85. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, like and share this video. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.